again.
1,
Look at that.
2,
1,
2, 3,
3,
4.
4. Hey!
Oh. They don't unlock.
No, you do just by yourself.
No,
You do good. You do better
No, they,
on your own.
no.
Okay. Do some more decorating. Got the whole pan to decorate all these trees.
Now I help you, Caeden.
Oh, I'm supposed to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, well you do too though. Because you were doing such a good job.
Peppermint.
You think so? Is it? Well, I think that one has enough sugar too. There's quite a bit on there. Ooh.
No, cover. Cover.
Yeah,
Top
yeah.
up. Cover, top off. Really good.
Really good.
One,
1,
2, 3, 4.
Oh, good job.
1, 3.
1, 2.
Dippy.
Oh, I'm just moving it closer. Okay. 3,
4.
4. Yay!
Yeah.
Count. 3, 4. Yeah. Now you count this time.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. One more, because you didn't do that very long.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good job.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. 3, 4. Okay.
1, 3,
3, 4.
1, 2, 4, 5.
You're beginning.
1,
2,
3, 4, 6.
3, 4. Very good.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna do this one on its red and green.
And
Green and
they
red.
have green in people.
There's green sprinkles in there.
Green in there.
Yes.
Green in the thing.
Yes.
Green in there.
Are you gonna do more with sprinkles?
Green.
You can't pick them out, it's too hard.
They helping their mama pickle.
Okay.
They bring it helping mama.
Do you want to sprinkle one with blue?
Yeah.
Do this one with blue. So we can shake it.
Shake.
That one's kind of hard, isn't it?
Shake.
Okay,
No.
do blue on this one too, and we'll do blue and
Shake,
yellow on that
shake,
one. Whoa.
shake.
Good job.
May I do?
Put this on one with them.
No, put them in that side of flower.
Okay.
Or drop out. They picking out some.
Are these peppermint ones? These pink ones? Should we do a pink flower?
Yeah. No, they do it.
Oh, you can. You do it.
Yeah, after them, they're doing.
Whoa!
Oh, already do it on other ones. Already do it on other ones.
Did you do that on the other ones? All right. Well,
Yeah.
then we don't need to do any more of that one.
No, they got it.
Oh, that's right. Caeden cuts.
There.
And you can cut this one right here.
Yeah, we'll do a little smaller this time.
They got kind of big. Yeah, really big. Now, can you twist it gentle?
Good job.
No. Yeah, twist, roll, twist it.
Yeah, take it.
Beer, Grandma and Caeden. Okay.
Okay, like that one.
Do this one.
They like that
Oh,
one.
you want
big
that one? All
They
right.
like eat it. No, they eat that long one.
Tip to make a candy cane.
May I
A
help?
little bit more. Caeden
Right.
too.
Good job.
May I help?
Good job. Yummy.
Now you
candy
have
canes.
another one over here. This one.
They didn't.
Now you gotta
They
have
have one long one.
to twist that one.
They have one long one.
Yeah,
They
okay,
have
this
that one.
Yeah,
that
twist
one's
it.
yours. Okay, now twist this. You twist that end, I'll twist this end. No, not like that. Remember we turned?
Oh.
I'll turn this way.
That one.
Yeah,
then
You
remember,
turn,
that
roll
you
one.
turn, you turn that way.
My days. That one days. That one me did.
Okay.
That candy cane.
Oh my.
Great job.
Nice.
Another one. Another one.
Grandma's gonna hold the tray so it doesn't move on you. Now do some of the fat part. Because you're getting it too skinny here. It's fat there. So roll that part.
Good job.
Got them.
Whoa. The family that dances together. Yes. Stays happy together.
Is Emerson dancing too?
Emerson, they make you dance. They make you
Caden's making you dance.
dance.
Whoa, Caden's got some moves. Woo.
One other one.
What?
One
Hold
other
on.
one.
Yeah, we're not using those anymore. She's just a content little gal right now.
Lot of people.
There you go.
Purple.
Is there new stuff to look at in this house?
Yeah. Yeah.
Caden, you want to do your twist?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and twist them up.
Help Daddy. No break it.
Help.
No break it.
Don't break it. Okay, first, let's just give it a roll.
Grab to get a picture of
Okay.
it.
Quit going.
Breaking. Breaking.
No. Keep going. Look
So
at.
much to see. Oh, perfect. Just forget.
Potatoes.
Are you
Potatoes.
gonna bust before
Daddy
Grandpa takes a
Caden?
picture of you and me? Are you gonna
Whoa.
There, eat that up.
Wow.
have a family hug?
They're making baby. Done.
No, don't shake.
No, they're making baby.
Oh, rocking us? Oh, are you
No,
rocking?
stop. They're making
Rocking her. Oh, Gently,
tired.
Caden. Gently. gentle. You're supposed to do it with our arm. Yes. Got it. Timing is of the essence. Oops, you missed the top. There you go. Leave it there. No, It's in that's there. okay. Just leave it there. That's okay, because you could just roll still, even with that in Yeah. there. Gentle, though. Gentle, because they're fragile cookies.